Hello and happy new year 2025. Now today I want us to look at how we can perform OSINT using a tool called Seeker. So Seeker is an information gathering tool, specifically OSINT, open source intelligence. So with Seeker we can do a lot of things. First of all, we can track a target, we can get the geolocation information of that target, we can also perform scans on that system, we can know the operating system, we can check the screen resolution, the amount of RAM, the number of CPU cores, the platform that the system is running on. We can also get some screen resolution, the type of browser that the target is using, and the most important thing here, we can also get the private and public IP address for that machine. So let's install it on our Kali Linux machine. First of all, we are going to clone the code, and then we are going to go to our Kali Linux terminal. So I like installing all my tools on my opt directory, so I'm going to, and we can see that there is nothing there. Now let's clone we can do sudo git clone and then paste the link there and then enter, and this will go ahead and clone the Seeker tool onto your Kali Linux machine. Now when it's done, if you do ls, now we can see Seeker is there. We can do cd Seeker, do ls again. Now we're going to run this install.sh file. So make sure you have write and execute permissions. We can do that by doing sudo chmod +x and then install.sh and then enter. Now we can do sudo /install.sh, or you can do, if you want to, bash install.sh, whichever will work, and then hit enter. This will go ahead and install all the dependencies that it's needed. Just give it a moment and it will be done. Now it's installed. Now we can do, let's clear the terminal. Now we can do sudo, let me just end, we can sudo python 3 seeker.py and then hit enter. Just give it a moment. Now these are all the templates that we can use to get information from a device. For example, we can use near you to get like the location of that target. We can also use WhatsApp redirect, or Telegram. Let's go with the first one just to show you how this works. We can go with 0, hit enter, and this will go ahead and clone a template that you can use to send to the target. So in this case, my target will be my phone here. As you can see, I'm going to use my phone as the victim. So now what we are going to do next is we are going to open we are going to insert the IP address for our Kali Linux machine on our browser. Now I'm going to use my smartphone here. This will act as the victim machine. My Kali Linux will be the attacking machine. So before we proceed, let me just show you the IP address for our Kali Linux machine. We can do ifconfig, and you can see that we are running with an IP address of 192.168.173. It is this IP address that we are going to insert into our browser on our smartphone, and then remember the template is running on port 8080. Okay, so we are going to do 192.168.100.73 and then on port 8080 and then hit enter. Okay, so continue to site. So you're even given a warning before proceeding. So as you can see, the template looks something like this. Find people near you. Okay, so it's telling us that we can meet new people, make new friends, and then there's a button to continue there. So the moment I hit continue, let's remove this. The moment I hit continue, you'll see that something will be happening on our screen, and you can see some things have happened there, just like that. As you can see, we have got the information for our device. You can see that we are running on Android 10. The platform is Linux. Remember, Android is based on Linux, if you didn't know. The number of CPU cores are there. We can also see the GPU vendor, the GPU, the resolution of the screen, the type of browser that we're using is Chrome. That's true. Another thing is you can see that the user has denied the request for geolocation because I have disallowed location access on my smartphone, so no applications can get access to my location. I have literally banned every application there. So if you don't restrict permission access on these applications on your Android phone, we can also get the geolocation information of your phone, the latitude and the longitude, and we can locate you precisely using those latitude and longitude coordinates.